Good morning, guys. Live from Safety Harbor downtown. Behind me is the Gulf of Tampa Bay. The weather is nice and calm, nice and cool morning. In a couple of days from now, it's not going to be like this. We're expecting a very strong hurricane named Ian, Category 3, moving into this area. So I'm just passing by Safety Harbor downtown. It's about less than 10 minutes from my house. Usually there's a lot of tourists in this area, but today there's hardly anybody here. I'm thinking that just the local people. It's usually a pretty good place just to walk and exercise and do some water activities. Right now, behind me is the waters are nice and calm. That's a Gulf of Tampa Bay, and also Tampa Bay right behind me as well. So I'm just hoping this hurricane doesn't hit us as hard, and everybody to stay safe and take care of your loved ones and your family. Take care. Peace.